In this video, I'll show you how to share your Google Drive files, folder, photos via link on WhatsApp or any other social media app. It's super easy, but before that, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to share your Google Drive link, first thing first, open up the Google Drive application from your Android or iPhone. And from here, simply go ahead and select the folder, files, or photos that you want to share. Let's say I'm going to share this folder. So now to do that, you just need to select the three-dot line beside the folder and then tap on share. And once you do that, he'll get to see the manage access. You just need to tap on this people icon here. And the general access is restricted. You just need to tap on this and tap on restricted. And from here, you can select anyone with the link. And once you do that, here you get the viewer option. So if you select that, here you actually get three different options, viewers. So if you select the viewers and send the link, the people can only view whatever you shared. And if you select the commenter, people actually can view and comment on the Google Drive link. But if you select the editor, they can actually organize, delete, or actually access the complete folder from the drive. And once you have select that, you just need to tap on this link icon at the top right. And once you do that, the link will be copied. Now get back from here and open up any social media app. Let's say I'm going to open up the WhatsApp. And let's say I'm going to paste the link right over here, and I'm going to send it. This person can actually tap on this link and access to that drive from here as well. And this is how we actually can do this process. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.